Oh, hey, what's happening there, YouTube? It's Brian House here for Housemade, and I wanted to create a video for you, if you purchase the Evolution grinder, what the shipment will look like when it comes to you. So this video is solely for those of you who have purchased the Evolution and want to see how we ship it to you. So there's no surprises when it gets to you. All right, these are the 3 boxes that you're going to receive when you get your Evolution kit. They may not show up all at the same time, so be aware, because 2 of them are going to ship via USPS, which is the United States Postal Service, and this big guy here, this is going to come via UPS. So don't worry if you only get 1 box at a time or whatever, they'll all show up. And if they don't, everything is 100% insured. No worries, we really highly focus on customer service, and we'll replace, if there's something damaged or lost, we will replace it at no cost to you. Super fast too, by the way. All right, so let's tear into these boxes and see what we got. First and foremost, let's grab this big one here, and we're gonna cut the straps and the tape. I'm gonna use my handy dandy housefly knife that we make here. All right, so the first box, this one's shipped via UPS. It has our bigger flat plate parts in it, and also in this little sleeve envelope is going to be the nameplate, the side nameplate. This is an example, by the way. This isn't what it's gonna look like when it gets to you, but it's the only one I had on hand. So make sure you keep that safe so it doesn't get marred up because it's powder coated. And all of the parts on the inside of this box are strapped together. You got your motor plate, your side plate, and your work rest in here, okay? Here's the side plate. This will have the word inside laser etched somewhere over here. We didn't have one laser etched, but just keep that in mind that both the motor plate and the side plate will have the word inside written on it, and that's an important feature because these, when you weld them together, orientation does matter. And your motor plate, same thing with this one. It's gonna have the word inside laser etched on it, not written on it like this, but a laser etched on it. This is your motor plate, okay? That's in the first UPS box. Now this big boy, this is a heavy one. This is gonna have all of the other grinder kit in it, okay? So all the heavy steel plate parts and hardware are gonna come in this box. So this is the hardware pack. This has got everything you need to bolt everything up, tracking mechanism, spring, every single nut, bolt, washer comes in this little bag right here. And we do weigh these before we ship them out to ensure accuracy. But if you're missing something or something's not quite right, hit us up on the customer service window and we will take care of you ASAP. And then you've got this big old hunk here. This is your tooling arms and platen bracket, anything flat plate that will fit in this little bundle we put all together. We'll tear that apart in a second. You got your D plate in that box. Got your work rest angle bracket in there. And a big bundle, oh man. And a big bundle of flat plate parts. Hinges, base plate, risers, everything comes nicely wrapped and shrink wrapped inside of this little bundle right here. Last but not least, the second large flat rate box has all of your wheels in it. We wrap them in foam and shrink wrap. And just a friendly reminder that the platen wheels on the front come preloaded with the hardware on them. All you have to do is take the nylock off and thread it onto the D plate. So you don't have to mess around with figuring out the torque specs for that axle bolt. We do that for you in the shop. Let's talk parts prep here. This bundle here has all of some of your 1/4-inch plate parts and the 3 tube steel part. In regards to prepping these, all you really need to do is deburr the tooling arms on each end, okay? That's all you really need to do. And one of the other tips and tricks of this is these have mill scale on them, right? So I prefer that you leave the mill scale on now while you build the machine. And if you had any tolerance problems with your receivers, like let's say you put a tooling arm in after you've welded it all together, A simple trick would be to just soak these in vinegar or hit them with a DA and take that mill scale off, and that should give you the clearance that you need in order to have a nice smooth action on your tooling arms. Some key factors to remember are that the boxes we ship to you will come from different carriers, UPS and USPS. Also, they may not arrive at the same time, so just keep that in mind. You know, you might get one box one day, it might take a couple days to get another box, and so on. Also, if there's anything at all that you would like to discuss, you need something replaced, something's missing, or whatever, go ahead and email our customer service at cs@housemade.us. We are very responsive there. You can get us directly right from there, and we will make sure that we get you taken care of as soon as possible. Thank you so much to everyone who has ordered the Evolution Grinder Kit. I truly appreciate all the love and support throughout the years. I hope to see you on the next video. My name is Brian House, and this has been House Made.